Right, the largest whales in the land, Binance, CZ himself, the founder of Binance, has just told us what he's going to pump. He has just told us he's going to do something with the BSC chain, which is on the BNB coin, right? The Binance Smart Chain. And he's going to pump meme coins. Those are his exact words. I'm going to take you through what he has said, why he said this, what his focus should be on, and some crazy action with some coins that's already going on there. So we're going to look at Bitcoin, ETH first to set the overall market direction, and I'm going to take you through to Pancake, which is the largest DEX on the BNB or BSC chain, and then we're going to look at some smaller meme coins on that chain to see what can work, what cannot work. All right, first let's get straight into it. This is what CZ has just said, basically. So he's been pretty much pumping this BNB chain. This is him just tweeting this 13 hours ago, saying that, he hasn't done this for a while, basically. BNB is good with this, AI, memes, whatever, really fast, scalable, gasless transactions. Okay, now, he says the narratives that he really likes. So, for example, what does he say? What's the number one? What's the number one? He says DeSci, right? DPIN, RWA, whatever, and more, right? But this is actually all about memes, right? So when it comes to utility coins, he likes DeSci, and we've spoken about that for quite a while now. However, when it comes to, he's basically been quite famous for talking about memes lately. So here is his video. He literally, I mean, you can do your own captions, translation captions there, right? He literally, you can search this up. He literally said, I'm encouraging everyone to go and support meme coins, right? And of course, he's doing meme coins, and he's going to do it on his own chain. So, how did all this craziness start? He's too shy about doing a pump.fun type of site, which is like on Solana, but he's doing it on the BSC chain, right? So he posted a video of a demonstration of someone launching a coin on, it's called 4.pump, right? That's the pump.fun, but on BSC, not on Solana, but it's the pump.fun version on BSC chain. He launched the video, and they did a coin called for a test, just called TST as a test, and then the video went out, and this coin went viral because it's called TST, and everyone found it, right? So he made a big statement saying, no, I'm not supporting TST. This was just meant to be a test. Forget about it. Like we don't even own that coin. But the more he explains, the more viral it goes, until he finally had to list that coin, right? Because he says, well, heck, why not? Where he's literally just promoting meme coins on the BSC chain right now, right? Because that's what TST is, right? So, and now every other exchange is rushing in to try to list this TST coin. I'll just give you guys an example here. For example, right here, this is Bitunix. This is the exchange that I use, and they've just listed TST as well with some, trading campaign bonuses. The CZ actually explains this. There's a rush to list these hot coins where there's a lot of viral sort of momentum, right? Because that means a lot of trading, a lot of volume. So before we go any further, and I show you what I'm doing with Pancake, my trades with PancakeSwap, and with a couple of meme coins that I'm personally doing on the BSC chain, let's first answer the question of which crypto exchange does Pablo He-Man use? Well, Pablo actually uses this Bitunix chain, which is actually offering lots of great prizes. So, for example, it's Non-KYC, a Tesla Model 3 and Rolex or Vision Pro. It's a non-KYC exchange. That means you don't need to show any ID. You don't need to. The exchange doesn't know who you are. Basically, the IRS can't see you. The tax office can't see you. CIA, FBI, nobody can see you. Totally private. That's why I use it. Right for the next until March 12th. Basically, the Pablo He-Man deal with Bitunix, Pablo He-Man deal, only on this link I'm providing you with, only on this link. How to find this link? If you're watching this on YouTube, it's in the description just below you. The link is right there. Or if you're on any other platform, If you're on any other platform such as Instagram, for example, just go to my homepage and, the TikTok, whatever, and there's the Stand link. We click on the Stand link, and that'll take you straight to my links. And the first thing that pops up is this, because it's a big deal. Bitunix, chance to win a Tesla Model 3 just from trading. Okay, first, we'll have a quick look at Bitcoin. Basically, as I've been saying, I was expecting a bounce off this area, which is 93, 94 area, because that's off that green support line, right? We're still kind of getting there, but getting close. So I'm expecting some sort of bounce like this and then up. It could even dip to like 92 and up, right? Ethereum, obviously, looking weak as per my last video, but I'm thinking this is a fake out. We had a retest and a rejection. Retest, rejection, that obviously looks bad because it got rejected off that red trend line, right? One more leg down. So the way I see it, we could have something like this. This to me is still a bull flag. Here's the flag. Here's the flagpole, right? Here's the flag itself. As for my last video, I'm expecting some sort of move to like here, mid 2400s, and then up we go. Basically, it's got a, could even go as low as low 2400s. Basically, take out a lot of the shorts. Sorry, a lot of the high leverage longs. They take out the longs, bounce, and then take out a lot of the shorts. The shorts are hiding around 35, 3600s. Their stops. So take out the longs and then take out the shorts. So I'm expecting a dip and then big bounce to around 35, 3600 target. So, okay, now why would Pancake benefit from all this? Well, because Pancake is the number one DEX. If there's going to be a lot of trading activity on the BSC chain, then the largest DEX, Pancake, would benefit. And you can see that's why over the last 3 or 4 days, it's actually just shot up. If you're in my Discord, you guys know that I've been basically buying Pancake since about 10 months ago. And, been dollar cost averaging in. Of course, didn't try to get the exact bottom, but I'm holding some spot coins in Pancake as well. So here it's at a natural resistance level of $2.0809 area. That's because of this range. See, we had the high here, low, high, pivot high, pivot high, pivot high. So basically we're in this range right now. Now, it could actually, because the CZ's been tweeting about it, it could just go boom, straight to the next resistance, which is $2.45 area. But what if it pulls back? If it pulls back, first layer of support is $1.73 area, and second level of support is around this $1.56 area. So if we get lucky, we could get boom, some sort of action like this, and it takes off. Or crashes through there and goes to there, right? It's $1.73, $1.75, roughly around those areas. If that were to happen, then basically I would set up a couple of my trades to go long there. Not hugely high leverage, but just some leverage. So for example, this is on Bitunix where I'm trading this. So I have one order, a smaller one at $1.73 area, and I have a larger order at $1.55. So the idea is that if it comes back, no guarantee it'll come back, but if it does come back, hits $1.73, then we bounce, we go. If it takes out my $1.73, we can go to $1.55, and I still catch it, and then we go. I'm using about 10x, 9x leverage, so that's how that works out. Okay, not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing, documenting my trades with you guys. May not work out, so there's always risks with these sort of things. Let's have a look at a couple of meme coins that could work with this. Now, if you go back and watch that CZ interview, that was part of a longer interview. If you can use captions, or you can use basically what he has said. Someone transcribed the interview. What he says is this. He says they're actually looking to list coins that are hot and have a large trading volume. So yes, he's looking to list some meme coins, but the meme coins he lists are not going to be those 1 million, $500,000, $300,000 coins, because there's no trading volume on there. If there was a lot of trading volume, that's what exchanges want. If there was a lot of trading volume, it would already be huge. It would already be like 20 mil, 50 mil, 100 mil already. So yes, you could get lucky by buying a 1 mil coin and it goes to 50 mil and then gets the attention, gets noticed by Binance, and Binance picks it up and it goes from 50 mil to 500 mil. It could do amazing runs like that for you. But however, just me personally trying to pick what Binance could pick next for a listing, because if they pick something for a listing, it could go up like 5 to 10x instantly just on that news. Just for something like that, I'm looking at some of the larger meme coins on the BSC chain, what I call the chain leaders, the meme coin leaders, right, on the BSC chain. So for example, one that I've spoken about quite a lot for folks who are already in my Discord is this Y coin. Y had a couple of small pops. So the story with Y is actually quite interesting, because what they did is see now we can see that's a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we've had 2 attempts at this resistance level. This is roughly 7778 area. Let's put this on a daily chart. So Y, I spoke about daily, come on. I spoke about quite a while ago. And it basically went from this 9 to here around 3. So it made a 3x, right? That was when I first started talking about it, did a 3x, and then CZ came out of jail around here, and we were waiting for CZ to do something to pump it because he's out of jail. Why is this elephant coin on Binance? And it could do well because it used to be the leader of meme coins, the largest meme coin on the BSC chain. Now it's still something like in the top 5 or top 4. So CZ didn't do anything about it, broke down. Then there was news of CZ might do something about it, didn't do anything, boom, broke down again. And now on this recent news, it's coming back to life again. But you see how it's hit, even on the daily chart, it's hit this 80 area twice, twice, right? If it breaks through, then it'll be in this range. Then it'll do this again. Next target is this 14 area, right? 14 area. So something like just under a 2x from here if it breaks through. And then obviously, next resistance is 2.0 and goes into this consolidation area, and it could take off. So that's the luck of the draw. We're trying to pick something, bet on something that CZ will pick himself for Binance. Now, what this Y coin has done from day one is that they burnt, like when their market cap was something like 15 mil. When the FDV market cap was something like 15 mil, they burned $1 million worth of coins, and just to show the community how committed they are. And they also sent something like 5% of supply to CZ's wallet and 5% of supply to Hei's wallet. That's the wife of CZ. That's also the co-founder of Binance right now. So 5% to each of them. Together they own 10% of this Y coin. They didn't ask for it. But this Y, the devs from Y, sent those coins to CZ regardless. It's kind of like remember when Shiba Inu sent 10% of supply to what's his name, to Vitalik Buterin's wallet, and Vitalik decided to give 10% of that supply to a charity in Bangladesh, and that crashed the price of Shiba Inu. But it certainly made Shiba Inu very famous. So this is I don't think CZ will do that. He might do nothing with it, or he might decide, hey, we've already got 10% of the supply, why not list this coin? So that's just one reason. That's one of the coins I'm looking at. Let's have a look at another one. Another one is something called Andy. Now, there are a lot of Andys around. Andy's up a fair bit today, and there are a lot of Andys around. But this Andy is on base chain. So Andy on base chain, and what's happening with the chart right now is basically, look at this, boom, sideways consolidation, boom, sideways consolidation. Well, you wouldn't call that, but it's still kind of a bull flag. This crash here, it normally would do this and go up. This crash here happened on the February the 5th, right? Remember when Bitcoin was had that shocking, when Ethereum had that shocking crash to $2,100. So nothing survives. But this is something like a bull flag, and they were hitting the top of that bull flag as well. Just like we saw with Y, this is hitting resistance as well. Resistance is around this 3.435 area. Once it breaks this 3.435 area, I think we see something like this, and then boom, then we go up, right? But there's, provided that is, if CZ picks up this coin as his favorite, as to list it. You just saw him interview. He literally went on this interview and he said to you face to face, I'm encouraging everyone to get into meme coins. He literally said the words, I'm encouraging everyone to get into meme coins. Now, and he's also promoting his own BSC chain, so it doesn't take a genius to realize he's going to promote meme coins on his BSC chain. That just makes sense, right? So now, and he also said he likes larger volume coins, which already has some trading volume. So he's not going to pick the tiny ones like 2 mil, 3 mil market cap. I don't think so. So he's going to go for the larger ones like 20 mil, 30 mil, 40 mil volume. And that's why I've been looking at Y and also looking at Andy. The one problem with Andy, I'll say, is that it's already on Solana chain, ETH chain. It's quite famous because it's part of the Boys Club. The Boys Club, the comic book, that launched Pepe, Landwolf, Andy, and Brett. So Andy's part of those 4 guys. They're called the Friends Club. So his worry could be that if he lists this Andy on a BSC chain on Binance and it takes off, then it's also going to pump the Andy on Solana chain. He doesn't want to help Solana chain, obviously. They're in competition. He's doing this to counter Solana chain. So that could be a problem. That's my one concern about it. So as I say, none of these coins I can say to you, I guarantee this is going to happen. I guarantee. Nothing can be a guarantee. There's always big risks in trading and big rewards. But, it's up to your personality. I've been holding that Y coin for the last 6 months, expecting him to pump his BSC chain and to really push and promote the meme coins on BSC chain. I've been holding it for 6 months. People in my Discord know this. So it's a lot of risks. And you could, like me, you could make the prediction right, but be too early in terms of the timing, right? Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in once again, folks. I'll catch you guys for the next episode. And remember that Bitunix only on Pablo's link. I'll catch you guys next time.